One of the main overlooked environmental problems is marine mammals in captivity, and it's actually been going on for quite a long time now, since the 1860s. It all started when we thought we were helping them by rescuing them and rehabilitating them, but then organizations realized that they can make money off of them by putting them on display and using them for entertainment purposes. So one of the main questions is what can we do to help this situation? And one of the main things that has been studied over the last couple years is their mortality rate in captivity. And the larger species has been cut almost in half, and the smaller species are repopulating at double rates and living twice as long. So it's not balancing out their population at all. Another red flag is how more have died than survived and are living today in captivity. So that's just been a big debate about it in recent studies. Here is their differences in their physical appearance. So one of the main difference you notice is the dorsal fin, and the only time it is ever either leaning down or slanted is when they're in distress or not healthy. So this is one of the best ways to tell whenever you go somewhere and see one of these animals in a tank. Encountering these animals somewhere in the wild or natural would be way better rather than investing it into these small aquariums and amusement parks like SeaWorld, for example. Because our money is what keeps them open and keeps them being able to breed their animals. So as long as we can slowly stop giving them profit, then hopefully we can go ahead and put this to an end, and these animals can live their free natural lives eventually for good.